Hello, good morning. Welcome to Daily Market Flow. So, 7:04. I'm going to share my screen now. I was doing an analysis on Euro USD. So, sharing my screen right now. Good. Okay, so this is the Euro USD charts. This is a 1 hour time frame. Like I said, I was trying to give signals over time, but I won't be giving signals anymore. This is just supposed to be an analysis that prompts your entries, whatever strategy it is that you're trading. Although today I kind of highlighted a point of interest. Um, this happens to be my point of interest. Now, Euro USD, we can see a break. Not necessarily a break because this is an uptrend. So it's a continuation pattern, a continuation of an uptrend. So hence we are able to see um, it break the upper trend line, which was supposed to give it a selling bias. But there was a break, a very massive break. You can see, look at the candle. This is 1 hour, a very massive break out of the candle. Then we can see it retrace and does a continuous breakout. So right now we are still expecting Euro USD to buy, but definitely just as the market has to balance itself, it has to do a retracement back to this point, such that we are able to see um, a pullback down to this point of interest. So whatever strategy it is that you're trading at this point can now be implemented at this point. It can now be implemented at this point. So a breakout and a continuation. So Euro years, let's see what we're gonna have. Is there gonna be a news today? Let us see. Wednesday, there's a news on USD. Oh, FOMC, crazy. There's FOMC today, which is going to move the market crazy. So tonight we should expect a move, a retracement back to that point. Here we can be able to pick up back from. So the trend is your friend. Shouldn't trade against the trend. Shouldn't trade against the trend. Okay, so let's check out GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD it has also broken up. So GBP USD, what are we expecting? Still expecting a sell, a buy. GBPS is still on an uptrend, still expecting a buy. There's a little bit of retracement down here. So at this point, expect the market to come back down here, give us a significant entry candle, and we're looking up for a buy. So GBP USD has given us a strong continuation of a buy trend, which is still on. So a buy trend is still on for GBP USD, which we are obviously going to be trading. Is up for a trade. So, taking a look at this, GBPSD, we are still in an uptrend, so we only look for buys. Then let's see, I kind of analyze GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Okay, what are we looking at on GBP NZD? Let us see. We're obviously in a downtrend on GBP NZD. in an obvious downtrend. In an obvious downtrend. So now we are looking at for a sell on GBP. Now we look at for a sell on GBP. Okay, so looking out for a sell on GBP. But for a safe sell, you should allow the market to come back to this point here. So the FOMC is going to give us so much entries today because the market is going to go crazy, more volatile, such that we can be able to take certain trades on it. So let's look at AUD card. AUD card. AUD card is in an uptrend. So we're obviously waiting for the market to contest this place. Then, based on certain strategies, you look for a buy at this point. We're obviously looking out for a buy on Euro. So, yes, so we can take a buy. So these are points of interest being highlighted. Certain points of interest being highlighted for a buy. Then looking at let's see Catchef. Catchef was so funny yesterday. I could not see any clear thing on Catchef yesterday. Catchef is on a downtrend. So obviously I'm letting the market be so we can see where we can pull out. So we can see what happens towards that point. Okay, so we have checked out four different pairs. Checked out Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP NZD, AUD CAD CHF. So we only got clear visibilities on Euro USD, CAD. No, we can't see any clear thing on. It's obviously clear, but when I mean clear, I don't have any point of interest on CAD right now. So obviously, I'm letting it be. If you go on a lower time frame, you can possibly see an entry, but this is a 1 hour time frame. So Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP NZD, AUD card has given us points of interest we should look out for. It's either the market, obviously, the market tends to consolidate before the news. So once the news comes up, the news tends to take the market at points of interest after doing some certain form of manipulation. So the market obviously gets set for us. That's if it doesn't get to a point of interest before the news. So if it gets to a point of interest, we take note of it, then write it. Always use a stop loss, guys, so you don't blow your front. Always use a stop loss. So thank you very much. That is it for today's daily market flow. Have a very wonderful, nice day.